It's no news that fashion magazines are the most popular publications, especially fashion magazines like Vogue. Everybody loves them because they cover many entertaining topics besides fashion, such as beauty, culture, and even living. And also because their style is absolutely unique and impressive. If you've ever thought about designing a fashion magazine like Vogue, but never really had any outstanding ideas, just follow these few steps and you'll be designing with the best of them in no time. Step number 1. Do your research. Before you start designing your own fashion magazine, you should look for inspiration in other fashion magazines. You can find interesting ideas such as cool type combinations, catchy layouts, or inspiration from a trendy color palette. If you start with this step, your work will be better organized. Step number 2. Follow the trend with your own content. For fashion magazines like Vogue, the content part is crucial. It has to be both catchy and informative to grab the attention of the audience. Of course, fashion magazines generally focus on articles about the latest trends, but you should also introduce other types of articles. For instance, write about beauty tips and tricks, influential people in the fashion industry, and even about lifestyle advice on how to keep a balanced and healthy diet. Step number 3, the structure and the layout. The fashion magazine design should structure all the information in a way that will make the readers interested in the subject. But when you start designing the layout, you have to know the basics about the elements of a magazine page layout. Here are the most important page elements. The headline. Write an attractive headline and place it at the top of the page. The intro. It captures the attention of the reader and creates a strong connection between headline and body copy. The body copy represents the largest part of the article, and it should be the first thing to start with when you design a template. Image captions. They are pieces of text that offer relevant information about the images used in the magazine. Step number 4, cover design rules. The cover of the fashion magazine is one of the most important parts, and you have to design it to be alluring, because it's the first contact the readers will have with your magazine. You've probably noticed that fashion magazines like Vogue are using this same rule in the cover design, which contains a background picture, the portrait of a fashion icon, a model, or a celebrity. You should always keep this rule in mind if you want to be successful. Step number 5, always choose the best pictures. Last, but most certainly not least, if you want to design a fashion magazine like Vogue, use professional photos instead of stock images. By doing this, you will definitely impress your readers, and they will take your fashion magazine seriously. That's pretty much all it takes. Flipsnack is always at your disposal if you want to design a fashion magazine like Vogue. Plenty of free magazine templates are waiting for you. Go and check them out right now.